Alright, what's going on? We're fucking selling these fucking wheels that I got for free today. The lore explanation is this truck. I bought a parts truck for the bed and the doors, bunch of other shit. I ended up selling all the parts off the parts truck, making money off it. These wheels are free, okay? I bought my new wheels for the Cat Eye. Now I'm selling those. I'm getting more than what I paid for the new wheels. So, free money, dude. Money glitching marketplace, bro. Let's go. How you doing? Right here?
Yeah, you can just, I'll roll them over. It's okay.
No, no worries.
In front of the shop there. Perfect, thanks.
Oh. What's going on, dude?
There you go. You can count that.
Beauty.
How you doing?
Not too bad.
5.3 or a 4.8 truck or
4.8.
Yeah.
Two wheel. I got a 6.0 on a stand waiting for it.
Oh yeah, not shabby.
I fucking it was a government truck.
Oh yeah.
I got it off Gov Deals. Get an Aquay auction.
Cheap as fuck.
Yeah.
How much you pay for it?
Well, I was fucking on bid for $500 until like the last 20 minutes, and this cocksucker and I were fighting for it, and I ended up with gas and going to grab it about $1,400.
That's not bad.
It's fucking no rust. Fucking the box was rotted. The doors were gone. I bought a parts truck.
Yeah.
That's where I got these wheels off the parts truck.
We're just going on. We got a fucking field over there in Colorado. We just destroyed.
Oh fuck!
I throw those on that bucket.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, I got an Escalade with a 6.2 over there.
You might rub on the Colorado. No?
That's okay.
Yeah. I rubbed in this.
It's not on the road. I took it off. It hasn't been on the road for a while.
I fucked
jump trucks, destroy them.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys do YouTube stuff?
No, actually, no. We just get drunk and destroy shit.
Dude, fuck me. You got to start YouTube, man. I do the same shit with my boys when we do Instagram, and
trash shit.
It paid off, dude.
Yeah.
People like shit. People like watching fucking people destroying shit, man.
Yeah, that truck was all the trucks that we usually fucking total like 3 or 4 trucks every 2 months.
I'm missing a cap.
Well, I don't give a shit.
I think it went out the highway.
Like the set of tires that's on it are gone.
What's the bike?
Oh, it's a Gixxer 600.
Oh, okay.
No ownership.
Nice.
Fucking
just fucking
throwing dumb shit. Tons of shit, man.
Oh, I just got rid of I had 2 identical R1s.
Oh yeah.
03, 02 and 03.
Yes, dumped them?
No, just because second gear was gone in both of them.
Oh, you can't really do much.
So I'm not really fucking,
Your wheelies are sketchy.
Yeah, I had a 600 CBR, or that I didn't do it, but when I got it, it had stunt gears, the fucking cage.
It was mint when I showed up here like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. This is the good side.
Oh fuck!
Yeah, take a look at the wheels and tires on the other side.
Fun thing about the Colorado, it's bulletproof.
Oh yeah.
Nothing went through the side.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
Set of rubbers, this side blew off.
Holy fuck. Looks like my buddy's fucking Yaris tire right now. He blew on the highway.
This thing's had a rough life for sure.
Runs and drives.
Oh yeah.
Fucking mint.
Got a new engine.
Yeah. Fucking ready to go, man.
Fucking rocking the same snowflakes on that Denali.
Yeah, I got a set of 22s in this shop too.
Do you got a trim?
Sorry?
Do you rub with the 22s?
No, it's the 22s fit perfect.
Really?
Yeah. They're other factory, they're Escalade wheels.
Oh, okay.
The 20s that are on it with Winners, they don't rub either. They're fine. Yeah, we'll just cut out whatever touches with the Sawzall.
Yeah, dude, I fucking took my grinder and just... I still rubbed... I mean, I think something's wrong with that fucking left wheel, suspension-wise, but...
That's okay.
It's getting dropped anyways, so yeah. I don't care.
Don't worry about it at all.
Yeah.
It's not a bad looking truck.
That's not. Once I paint that box, man, fuck. I did the doors. Originally, I was rocking fucking white doors on this thing.
Yeah.
And I told myself, dude, I'll wait till spring to paint it because I'm paint apprentice, right?
Yeah.
And I caved, man. The amount of looks I was getting, people staring, fucking, it was rough.
How do you like the 4.8 and then?
So I've had 4.8s, 5.3s, 6.0s.
Oh yeah.
There's not really much of a difference to the
Just towing,
5.3.
you feel a little.
Yeah.
Just towing, that's it. We destroyed an 04 Chevy last year. Z71 out here with a 5.3.
Yeah.
Mint truck. We got off of a buddy for dirt cheap. It was some old man's fucking. There was an old timer's rig. It was mint. Z71 5.3 truck, and we just fucking mangled it.
My truck before this was 2000 Z7153. Extended cab and GMC though.
Yeah.
And the cross member where your shocks mount wasn't there.
Yeah,
fuel tank cross member wasn't there. Had no shocks. Well, I had shocks, but there was nothing. They weren't binding, right? So they just kept hitting the fucking bed, right? And of course, I wasn't working on that fucking piece of shit, right? So eventually, it just put holes in the bed. And then I had some guy came and spent every last fucking dime he had on that truck.
Oh yeah.
And he fucking blew the tranny out of it within 2 weeks, and then
Blew it up, and then he
Took it apart. Fucking.
cleaned the VIN off. He still owed money on it, and then just fucking sold it to some fucking.
Well,
Oh my.
I traded it for a 2-stroke.
Yeah.
I then sold a 2-stroke to some fucking greasy guy for like $40.
fuck. Yeah, no. Now if you go to my reviews though, that fucking cocksucker says, because I told him to grow a pair and fucking ride the bike home, and he put that in quotation marks in his fucking review on my. He told me to grow a pair and drive the bike home, and I'm like,
You got shit reviews.
yeah. You know, I got like 10 5-stars and like 5 1-stars. It's only 5 stars or 1 stars, and it's the 1-star idiots that fucking, you know,
Fuck yeah.
never even bought anything off me. And then you try and report them to Facebook, and they don't give a fuck.
They don't do anything.
No, it just says unable to whatever report review. And it's like,
Fucking bullshit.
yeah.
Just fucking bullshit.
But then you have great fucking marketplace meetups like this.
Oh yeah, chill.
Fucking.
Makes up for it fucking way better than.
How far does this go back?
Way back. All the way down to like that second tree line off in the distance.
Oh fuck.
You see it better?
What the fuck is this little
Bar story.
You got one.
little drift cart?
And the whole.
One with tank tracks on it too.
We got another one for the snow.
That's fucking awesome. Dude, we had a little motor on a go-kart like that.
Well, that's what that bike's in there for. It's a 650cc motorcycle. You want to put that in another Barstool racer.
Oh fuck. Fuck, dude. Oh.
The tree line of the river there.
Oh fuck.
And then there's the tree line. That's where our property line is. It goes way back. It goes all the way that. You can't see it because it's hill, but there's a valley down there.
Holy shit.
You can't see it either. That neighbor's richest fuck in the property.
Rich as fuck?
There's an airstrip that goes down that way. That's the end of the property line.
Damn.
Suck the tree line past.
What, he's got his own fucking planes and shit? He just.
Yeah, he's got a full-size hockey rink too for his son.
Dude.
If you drive that way, you'll see his mansion. That's his big solar barn that he grows pot in for the government.
That's fucking awesome.
We just do corn and soy. It used to be like strawberries and apples
Right.
and shit. Then my grandparents retired, and then my dad already had his own business. So he did
So this is your place?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, both of our places were both property managers.
Right.
He's known my family since I was like a child. Worked together, lived together with friends.
Cool.
Not gay though. He's gonna.
Yeah, no, I get that. I got that.
His girlfriend lives here too.
Yeah, okay. Good explanation.
I'll explain that to people, and they're like, "Oh, so you guys are like partners?"
Oh.
No.
Fuck.
back to the bar back.
You got any smokes?
Yep.
Mind if I grab one?
Shitty Pall Malls, but
I don't give a fuck.
Go in a little bit and give me one of them because I don't know my work here, so I think of the dealer back.
I still got bootlegger.
I have a whole bottle of decent one. Ryan comes over. Then I don't know what he's going to do. He's doing one.
We got bootlegger and fruit punch right here now.
Sure. Put the car back in here and then we'll keep the quad. I'll put James's quad back in here.
You know about Johnny Bootleggers?
Nah.
You get them at the beer store. It's like a little Mickey of some like watermelon flavored shit.
It's good as fuck.
That's like 20%.
It's like Jolly Rancher.
Really?
But they're $2.50.
Dude, you know I've been on the fucking cold shots.
Yeah.
Dude, cheap as fuck.
And the Bush Bullets. Yeah.
Yeah, Bush Bullets? Hell yeah.
Oh, good as hell. Fuck yeah, if those don't fit on the Colorado, we'll just fucking start cutting shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Free lit kit, dude.
The hammer, yeah.
Just get some blocks for the rear, fucking some bricks, jam them in there.
I think we bought that for $300 like 2 or 3 months ago.
The Colorado?
Yeah. There was mint when it came here, not a scrap.
How much was it listed?
Oh, bought it off of we should buy vehicles off of buddies, you know.
That was like our boss's friend.
The front end's fucking, okay, well bumper, but
It
like
was
front end's mint, dude.
It literally
Oh,
just
every
went
panel was
Yeah.
mint.
Oh, so this is all you guys.
Oh yeah. Didn't have a scratch on it when it came here. Back when it was still in, it's destroyed now.
See, I've had a Blazer,
Everyone gets drunk and trash and shit.
never had a mini truck.
That is our first mini truck. We had a
Is it good?
Oh fuck yeah. We've been destroying this thing.
I almost bought an S10, but guy wanted too much. Cause I always like our content's like lowballing people on Marketplace.
Oh yeah.
And we never go on the app. It's always we just make sure he's negotiable, show up there, and then haggle him, right?
I had like 67 cars now. Camaros, we had a PTO for a while. I have that Beamer over there, the S-Wings. Probably the fastest fun.
What's done to it? Or just stock?
It's 420 horse still.
Damn.
6.2 in them. They haul.
Nah, they're nice, man.
It's got winners on it, but
Yeah, dude, those wheels are expensive.
yeah, I paid for those with brand new winners on it. I paid $400.
Fuck's sakes, man.
Yeah.
Fuck. I just paid $350 for mine, and the tires are crap.
Yeah, they're brand new. The guy just put winners on them. They're peeling, but the 22s I got are in good shape. They're the ones that were on the truck, like they're Escalade wheels.
Yeah.
They're snowflakes too.
It's that Beamer.
It's a 6 Series. I've had that forever. That's my baby.
My fucking buddy Luca would love this.
That car's pristine. My
He-
grandfather bought it brand new.
I forget, brand new. Damn, dude. Yeah, this thing is clean. I swear this is what he has, bro. I think he has a 4-door though.
Yeah, it's 7 Series.
Yeah, he has a 7 Series. I'm pretty sure.
Maybe a 5 Series too.
That's clean, dude. That paint's great.
Yeah, it's in good shape.
Never been repainted.
Nope.
That's
Oh, everything's original.
that's fucking mint, dude.
It goes inside even if it's summer and raining.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Just took it out this morning. Just cleaned the shop.
Went from a 7.3 to a 2.
Oh god.
Oh, that 7.3 is forever.
You throw butts.
Anywhere.
I don't want to throw it in the grass.
I just throw it in the bucket. Yeah, pick up lots of
So funny.
I'm throwing them everywhere. So
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, we can make some fucking content.
guys, hit us up.
Yeah, man.
You quad or anything? Your boys quad or anything like that?
We sold all our fucking shit, man.
We got
But
lots of trails here.
we-
You can ride all day. And mud bogs and shit.
we'll bring gas and beer and fucking
Yeah.
it'll be chill.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, hit me up, buddy.
We're always buying shit too, so
Oh, same here.
you know.
Really good shit cost.
But I'll friend you guys and we'll get something going.
Fuck yeah.
Cause I'm running out of ideas, man. All my buddies have kind of stepped away. It's mainly me making shit. But get them down here and
Fuck yeah.
yeah, dude.
Hit us up, buddy.
Dude, good fucking meeting you guys.
Yeah, you as well, buddy.
Alrighty.